This video is sponsored by OutOfAir.com. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I thought I would just do a quick video showing how I dehydrate ground beef for use in the backcountry. So for this you'll need a few things. You'll first need the dehydrator. You'll also need the solid plastic tray that goes on top of the slatted portion. It's just easier for the ground beef not to fall through. You will also need a vacuum sealer. And you will also need vacuum seal bags. I'm using a brand called Out of Air. I kind of like these ones. They have a zipper on one side. So when you're in the backcountry, you'll be able to take a portion out and then close it back up again, which I kind of like. And you will also need, of course, the ground beef. And it's best to get the most lean ground beef you can get. Extra lean. It's best to get extra lean if you can get it. The more fat you can get out, the better it dehydrates, and the longer the shelf life it has. Okay, so first you want to cook the ground beef. I'm just going to fry this ground beef up. I'm going to add a bit of salt to this as well, probably a little more than I would normally add, just to help it preserve better. You want to make sure that it's broken up evenly, so it dries evenly. Okay, after you've browned the ground beef, you want to bring it over to a sink and put it into a strainer and run hot water over it. This helps get rid of some of the fat that's left. Okay, after rinsing the meat in hot water, you're going to bring the ground beef over and put it onto the dehydrator, and making sure it's spaced out evenly, and if there are any extra large chunks, you'll want to break that up. Okay, next I crank the heat up on the dehydrator to 165. That's the max on this particular dehydrator. It usually takes about 4 to 6 hours at this temperature, depending on humidity and how much ground beef is actually in the tray. But I check it every couple hours, move it around a bit and see how it's looking. Okay, this is what it looks like after an hour and a half. As you can see, it's starting to dry pretty good, but there's still a bit of moisture left, so keep going for probably at least 2 more hours. Okay, this is what it looks like after about 4.5 hours. All the moisture is completely gone from the ground beef, and it has a texture of gravel at this point. Okay, next you're going to add the ground beef to a vacuum seal bag. I'm using a brand called Out of Air. This particular vacuum seal bag actually has a zipper on one end, so I'll be able to portion out my ground beef in the backcountry. As you can see, dehydrating is fun for the whole family. And the final step is to seal up your bag with your vacuum sealer. That's pretty much it. Once I'm done, I usually put the ground beef in the freezer until I need it. If you have any comments or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Until next time, thanks for watching.